Hi everyone, we're the Hotel News Now editorial team here covering the 36th annual New York University International Hospitality Investment Conference. It's been really action-packed, a lot of activity going on. You know, I feel like it's June 2nd, 2007 all over again instead of June 2nd, 2014. There's a lot of exuberance here. There's a lot of swagger at this conference, and that's all well and good. Supply pipeline is relatively in check according to what everybody's saying here. Amanda Height from STR, Steve Rushmore Sr. from HVS, panelists galore today said, don't worry, supply is in check for the time being. I have a little bit of a contrarian view. I think it's going to sneak up and bite us. At any given time, there could be an external event that affects this industry, and the only message that I keep hearing from people is that I hope everyone's making a contingency plan for when that inevitable happens, that they're not going to get caught like 2008, 2009, and be a total surprise. So if there's one message that comes out of it from me, it's that. It's make sure that you have that contingency plan in place for when the inevitable downturn comes. This is a cyclical business, remember that. It's not something that's going to last forever, even though it may feel like that today. So all in all, you know, I think the exuberance, the happiness, you know, is good, and we all should enjoy it. There's a lot of hardworking people here. Let's enjoy it, but don't forget the contingency plan. Shawn, what's your takeaway?
Well, you're used to seeing a lot of exuberance at these kind of things. People are optimistic, but people are this time around putting their money where their mouth is. You know, we had this morning American Realty Capital announcing the $1.9 billion acquisition of Equity Inns. We've had Blackstone last week acquiring another $1 billion deal, acquiring the Cosmopolitan.
And it sounds like they're going to be doing a lot more, because with John Gray on stage today, he's bullish about all these emerging markets.
They're not done. They're not done. And then, of course, the big announcement this morning with Hilton coming out with the Curio collection. So, seeing a lot of investment in the industry to go along with the you know, the big words people are saying about the industry. So, you know, like I said, people putting their money where their mouth is. What do you think, Ed?
Yeah, I agree. I think there's been a lot of consolidation, or a lot of big deals happen in the last week or so, and some rumored. And it wasn't said so much on stage today, but you sort of get the feeling that there's going to be some more consolidation in the industry. One sector, the public REIT sector, seems as though it seems to be ripe for consolidation. There's 15 public hotel REITs, and some of those CEOs were saying today that there could be some mergers in that area. I think the other takeaway, if someone's looking for something to act upon, is while the supply as an aggregate isn't growing too much, it's still a street corner business. And if you're on a street corner and a Residence Inn opens across the street, then you got a supply problem, and that makes a difference between you know, 0.8% supply growth nationwide and 100% across the street. You know, so that's a big difference.
That's right.
But all in all, it's upbeat mood, as upbeat as you've seen it in any time whatsoever.
You know, one other quick footnote, when you were talking about with the REITs, you know, we were in a coffee talk session after the general session, and Arnie Sorensen and Richard Solomons both kind of agreed that they doubt that there's going to be any kind of public company to public company merger of that level. So the rumors of Starwood buying IHG are probably just that, simply because of the loyalty programs and how difficult that would be to merge together. So, you know, those big deals, they may come in the form of REIT-to-REIT mergers and acquisitions, and individual and portfolios, but the big companies, the big brands, it sounds like we're going to stand pat that way for a while.
There's never been a hotel-to-hotel REIT consolidation, is what people are saying.
There's nothing to say some private equity company doesn't come in and swoop up one of the brands.
That's right. But for, you know, one brand company to buy another, it would be very difficult.
Sure.
So as you can see, there's plenty to talk about here. There's a lot of activities. There's a definite buzz in the air, and we'll be having stories for the next 2 weeks about what we hear here and what we're covering here. So stay tuned. We appreciate you being part of the Hotel News Now network. Thank you.